Welcome to Toasty Tech, where we serve up the hottest gadgets, smartest tech, and coolest innovations to help you find your next great upgrade. The product link is in description. If you're building the ultimate home theater and want a cinematic experience without stepping into a movie theater, the Epson Home Cinema 5050UB is a projector that continues to impress enthusiasts year after year. This premium 4K PRO-UHD projector combines advanced image processing, exceptional contrast, and powerful HDR performance to create a truly immersive viewing experience. So, is this projector really worth buying? Let's take a look at the numbers. The Epson 5050UB delivers an impressive 2,600 lumens of both color and white brightness, helping produce vivid, vibrant images even when there is some ambient light in the room. It uses Epson's advanced 3LCD 3-chip technology, which displays 100% of the RGB color signal for every frame, resulting in rich, accurate colors without the rainbow effect often associated with single-chip projectors. What do those numbers actually mean in real-world use? It means brighter colors, deeper blacks, and a more realistic image whether you're watching blockbuster movies, sports, or gaming on a massive screen. Speaking of screen size, the 5050UB can project images ranging from 50 inches all the way up to an enormous 300 inches, turning almost any room into a personal cinema. The projector features Epson's 4K PRO-UHD technology with advanced pixel shifting, creating stunning detail and sharpness from compatible 4K content. HDR10 support and full 10-bit color processing help deliver brighter highlights, deeper shadows, and smoother color gradients. Combined with a remarkable dynamic contrast ratio of up to 1,000,000:1, scenes with dark backgrounds and bright highlights look incredibly lifelike. Why is this such a popular choice among home theater enthusiasts? A big reason is flexibility. The Motorized lens system includes powered focus, powered 2.1x zoom, and extensive lens shift adjustments, making installation much easier. Whether ceiling mounted or placed on a shelf, the projector offers plenty of setup flexibility to achieve the perfect image. Under the hood, the projector uses a 250-watt UHD lamp rated for up to 5,000 hours in eco mode. It also supports HDR10 and HLG content, making it ready for modern streaming services, Ultra HD Blu-ray movies, and next-generation entertainment sources. The projector weighs approximately 24.7 pounds and measures about 20.5 inches wide, 17.7 inches deep, and 7.6 inches high, reflecting its serious home theater design. Community discussions frequently praise the 5050UB for its impressive HDR performance, strong black levels, smooth motion handling, and overall cinematic image quality. Many owners consider it one of the best values in premium home theater projection because it delivers performance that rivals significantly more expensive models. If you're looking for a projector that combines massive screen capability, vibrant color accuracy, outstanding contrast, advanced HDR support, and true home theater performance, the Epson Home Cinema 5050UB remains one of the most compelling options available today. Thanks for watching Toasty Tech. The product link is in description. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more hot tech content, and I'll see you in the next one.